am finally back with another makeup video. Like, I really don't do enough makeup for me. I really enjoy doing makeup, and this is one of my favorite makeup clients. She's my most consistent makeup client for sure. This is Taylor. You guys should know her by now. I've done a couple videos with her, hair and makeup, and today we are doing some makeup. Now, I'm basically going through my normal routine. I'm gonna try to put everything I use in the description box. I kind of went through everything pretty fast. I don't feel like this makeup took me too long, but I kept everything in regular speed so you guys can see how long I take to blend out and all that stuff. To me, in this video, the eyeshadow really is what hit. But like I said, it's always progress over perfection. So you guys are going to be able to see where I kind of messed up. I like for my clients to tell me what they don't like about their hair, what they don't like about their makeup before they leave my chair. Because like I always say, I'd rather you tell me right now than talk about me later. So I kind of feel like that's a bad thing to have, because I have to kind of let go of other people's opinions in a way. But as long as you're in my chair, I do prefer for you to tell me what you think about it, and if I could fix it, I will. I definitely will. But like I said, I'm also here to put y'all on to game. It's important for you to kind of disconnect from that in a way, because you can't please and make everything perfect for everybody, especially when you tried your best. I'm not saying that for this client, because I definitely went back in and fixed what she showed me. You guys are going to see that I accidentally made her contour a little bit too harsh. Like I said, I'm a beginner, and it was really, you guys can see where I went wrong. It was really me placing the powder too sharply under her contour. That's really not good for this client. I actually didn't like how it looked, but it takes them to look in the mirror and look in their face and point out what they see. So I was able to blend that out a little bit at the end. But every time I do her makeup, I'm able to see what I should be doing better. Like I said, I've gotten her complexion way better, and right now I'm just working on the contouring. It was just definitely too sharp. With her, I like to keep everything soft lines, and I didn't need to make it that sharp. It was way too defined. So I just needed to do a little extra blending, and that was no problem. But here's a little tip. When it comes to hair clients, and I'm going to do a whole video on this, or just unhappy clients, and you really did your best, you explained to them why certain things came out a certain way, you kind of have to disconnect and give yourself some grace. You're not perfect, you are progressing, okay? You can't be super connected to the way they feel about things, even when it comes down to, I know you want them to be pleased and you don't want them to drag your name in the streets, but I mean, people are going to do what they're going to do, especially if they are not having the best intentions or the best heart. You kind of have to let that go and know that the clients that are for you will gravitate towards you. You don't have to fight or justify yourself to them. They're going to see your talent for what it is, and they're going to choose you. Okay, so just keep that in mind when it comes to pleasing clients. One thing I did like about this video was the complexion makeup, and I was just able to see things that I needed to blend out more, for sure. Just more blending. And one thing I need to start doing is really stepping away from the face. Like, once I step back, I can see better what needs to be done, because once I'm all up on it, I'm like, I can't see the blending that needs to happen. But definitely I want to back up a little bit more. But the great thing about it is Taylor's going to be back. Like, we're always doing some makeup on her or some hair. I actually have an appointment with her this Saturday. So definitely she's going to be back, and you guys are going to see my progression. Why did I say it like that? My progression through my makeup skills on her. So that's really exciting. If you liked this makeup look, if you thought it was cute, if you thought I did good for someone who does not do a lot of makeup, go ahead and comment a pink heart. Pink is Taylor's favorite color, so go ahead and comment a pink heart for me and watch the video all the way through, okay? I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.